Hi there, I'm Barak here with Halstead, and I'm walking today on West 72nd Street, one of my favorite blocks on the Upper West Side. It really feels like coming home, coming into the Alexandria. And why? Because I used to live here myself. Wow, what a way to come home. The staff here is absolutely amazing. Apartment 14D, here we are. Oh my goodness, where are my sunglasses? It is so bright in here. The view is so open. It is absolutely magnificent. I'm going right to the window here facing south. I see pretty far downtown. I see a little piece of the Hudson River there. It is such a central location here on 72nd and Broadway, and yet you're high up on the 14th floor. It's absolutely peaceful. Look at how good this room feels. Brand new floors, brand new paint job on the wall, beautiful baseboard moldings, dining area right here, a full living room set. It just feels so peaceful and so nice in here. Let me show you the kitchen. Kitchen is in original condition. Appliances have been updated. One of the things I like about most of the kitchens in this building is the pass-through kitchens. You can enjoy the view while you're entertaining, while you're cooking, and pass through all your food and servings right to your guests here in the dining area. So moving on to the private spaces of this beautiful home. Everything faces south, light all over the place. Second bedroom right here on my left. Second bathroom here to service that second bedroom and your guests, all marble. And here I walk into this spectacularly huge master bedroom. You have another master bathroom here converted into a shower. Again, the southern exposure, open views. Look at that. Who doesn't want a walk-in closet in New York City? Perfect. So I remember when I used to live in the Alexandria, I was in the very best shape of my life. Not only having access to this gym every day, also the swimming pool downstairs. There's an extra exercise room over there. It's just a great place to be. Wow, this roof deck is gorgeous. Look at the views. You can see Hudson River almost all the way to the East River. George Washington Bridge, a lot of the most monumental buildings of the city. It's really a 360 degrees panoramic view. So I learned a lot of things from my mom over the years. But one thing she said is when life gives you lemons, you make lemonades. But here, you got much more than just lemonade. You got a perfect, the ultimate cocktail of amenities, of services, of luxury, of light, of views, of beauty. Apartment 14D at the Alexandria condominium. If you'd like to see it in person, give me a call, Barak with Halstead. I'd be happy to show you.